Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a tale of a journey to enlightenment and the discovery of Zen in the most eccentric of places, Burning Man. It was a hot and dusty year, and I found myself wandering through the vast and captivating Black Rock Desert when I came across a camp that was truly like no other. This camp was filled with individuals who, to put it mildly, looked like chubby Buddhas bedazzled in rainbow sparkle pants. As I approached, I was greeted by a group of jovial and playful individuals who were more than happy to offer me a drink and show me around their camp. It was then that I noticed something truly remarkable. They had all discovered a sense of inner peace and happiness, despite the chaos and madness of the festival. Intrigued by their demeanor, I asked how they had come to this state of being. To my surprise, they revealed that their secret was the use of a certain, shall we say, mind-expanding substance. Well, being the curious sort that I am, I decided to give it a try. And let me tell you, my friends, the journey was as nothing short of a wild and hilarious ride. As I took the substance, the world around me transformed into a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns, and suddenly I found myself surrounded by these chubby Buddhas bedazzled in rainbow sparkle pants, who were now performing a synchronized dance routine. It was in that moment, in the midst of all that sensory overload, that I discovered Zen. I realized that all of the answers I had been seeking were right there, inside me all along. But, as all good things must come to an end, I eventually came back to reality and the dust of Burning Man. And yet, even after leaving that camp and returning to the mundane world, I carry with me the memories and the lessons I learned that day. So, my dear friends, the next time you find yourself at a crossroads looking for answers, just remember, sometimes the answer you seek may be found in the most unexpected of places, and sometimes surrounded by chubby Buddhas in rainbow sparkle pants at Burning Man. Thank you, and namaste.